Are you losing sleep over SSH keys and SSL certificates? The constant worry about security risks is enough to drive anyone crazy. Unmanaged keys scattered across servers, forgotten certificates about to expire, struggling to remember who has access to what. It's the perfect recipe for an IT meltdown. This chaos is costing you lost productivity as your team spends hours tracking down keys and troubleshooting problems. There are the hidden costs, too. The risk of a costly breach or failing a crucial compliance audit. Every ticking clock is another potential disaster. But there's a better way. Introducing ManageEngine Key Manager Plus, the answer to your digital identity prayers. With Key Manager Plus, you get centralized control. Track everything from one intuitive dashboard. No more hunting for keys on random servers. Automated security, effortless key rotation, proactive alerts for expiring certificates. And granular access controls protect your critical systems. Compliance made easy. Meet PCI DSS, HIPAA, and more with detailed reports and audit trails. No more compliance nightmares. We're Optrix, a trusted Canadian ManageEngine partner with over a decade of experience in IT security. Optrix isn't just a reseller, we're your IT partner. We understand the unique pressures Canadian organizations face. We'll get you up and running smoothly and help you make the most out of Key Manager Plus. Ready to streamline operations, enhance your security, and always be audit-ready? Contact Optrix today. Get a personalized demo, a competitive quote, or start your free 30-day trial by clicking on the link below. Take control of your digital identities. Secure your future with ManageEngine Key Manager Plus and Optrix.